Hello everyone. Today I will be demoing a GitHub Copilot workshop, and in this workshop we will build a contact management system. And also I will be introducing GitHub Copilot, what it is, what does it do, how it is beneficial for software developers. We will also be setting up our development environment. This includes our IDE or Integrated Development Environment. I will be installing GitHub Copilot to our IDE, and also we will be installing the necessary extensions for the development of our contact management system. And also in this workshop we will be discussing the basic usage and advanced usage of GitHub Copilot. Next, we will initialize our Spring application using the Spring initializer provided by Spring.io itself. And in this system, contact management system, we will be creating two pages, the landing page and the details page, wherein we will be implementing the CRUD operation with the utilization of GitHub Copilot. We will be adding contacts, displaying contacts, updating contacts, deleting contacts, and also we will search contacts, or we will filter them. Next, we will implement pagination and sorting in our display of contacts. And lastly, we will implement login and logout with the use of Spring Security. For our tech stack in this contact management system, we will be mainly using Java as our back-end language with its framework Spring Boot or Spring Framework 6. And for our CSS, we'll be using Bootstrap library. Excuse the typo, it is supposed to be Bootstrap. And for our JavaScript, we will use jQuery. Next, what is GitHub Copilot? So GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool developed by GitHub itself in collaboration with OpenAI, the trending company to develop ChatGPT. So GitHub Copilot is designed to assign codes to developers or assist developers in writing codes by predicting and suggesting whole lines or block of codes as developer type their code. So mainly, GitHub Copilot is used for code completion, wherein it predicts and suggests entire lines or block of codes in real time. So this feature aims to save time and reduce the need for developers to remember complex syntax and structures. And also, GitHub Copilot is an AI-powered technology which utilizes machine learning model, particularly with the use of OpenAI codecs to generate code suggestions. It also learns from a vast amount of public and private available code repositories. This will improve accuracy and suggest contextual relevant code for our developers. GitHub Copilot is a multi-language tool. So it supports multiple programming language, making it versatile for developers working on projects using different technologies such as Python, JavaScript, Java, C++, and many more. So it is a tool that is versatile for the development of a system. Also, Context-aware suggestion is one of the features of GitHub Copilot. It understands the context of the code being written, including variable names and comments. It provides more accurate and contextual relevant suggestion. So it reads our existing code, it reads our comment, and provide a code that we want. It enhances the ability of a developer to write code that aligns with the intended functionality. How does GitHub Copilot do that? So GitHub Copilot learns and adapts based on a code pattern and best practices found in public and private repositories. Since GitHub is a repository of codes, or a collection of codes. With this continuous learning process improves the tool's ability to suggest idiomatic and commonly used code, making it a versatile across multiple editors such as VS Code. It can be integrated directly into code editors. And also in this project we will be using Visual Studio Code, which allows us to seamlessly incorporate our GitHub Copilot into the existing development environment. Also, GitHub Copilot enhances our productivity. It boosts our productivity by accelerating the code writing process, especially very useful for rapid prototyping where quick generation of functional code is very crucial. Also, it is also used as an educational tool wherein it assists developers in learning new languages or frameworks by providing real-time or contextual code suggestion. It can be used as a guide, or it serves as a learning aid for developers at various skill level, whether you are a junior, mid developer, or senior developer. And for the use cases of GitHub Copilot is very valuable for quickly creating functional prototypes and proof of concept projects. Like I said before, it is very useful for educational tool, which is very ideal for developers who are learning a new language, programming language rather, or framework. It also has a potential to facilitate code reviews by suggesting improvements and identifying potential issues. It can be used as a debugger and can assist our developers. So, in conclusion, GitHub Copilot is a tool that aims to strike a balance between enhancing productivity and providing a balance and valuable learning experience for developers.